Hi everyone, this is Prinika from Enphase, and here we are with St. Lawrence College, Canada, and Ms. Rhythm Sharma is representing the St. Lawrence College. She is to us to introduce the college, the admission criteria and all. Okay, shall we start?
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Just a request, it's just I can't see anyone on the screen. Just wanted to understand, like you have put off your videos or is there some technical glitch in that?
There is some technical glitch in the.
Okay, so shall I start as it is?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Rhythm Sharma representing St. Lawrence College as Manager North India. So today I'm here to talk about the entry requirements, courses that we are offering, career opportunities you can have once you complete your course from this particular college. So my college is located in Ontario and we are having 3 campuses. So if I start with the campuses, I would like to start with Kingston campus, which is the main campus for St. Lawrence College, and most of the courses are offered at this particular campus itself. If I talk about the positive points of this campus, then we have that it's a student city. It's a vibrant city because we have 3 major institutions over there. We have Queen's University, St. Lawrence College, obviously, and Royal Military College. So most of the students who are studying over here are from various countries. There is multicultural diversity. Approximately 25,000 students are studying, and you can get adjusted very easily. You don't have to struggle in terms of jobs, in terms of environment. So there is a very positive environment over there. If I talk about the Brockville campus, so it is a campus which is known for its Thousand Islands. Okay, it is a tourist place. We have eateries and galleries over there. So is it audible?
Yes.
Okay.
Please continue.
So the courses that we are offering over there are mostly related to arts and crafts. If I move on to the third campus, that is the Cornwall campus. So the courses that we offer at this campus particularly are related to warehousing, because once you go there, you will be finding a lot of warehouses there. You can work you can go for a part-time job there, and the courses that we offer are related to project management, supply chain management. Plus we have a point, like the unique selling point for this particular campus: you get PR within 3 to 6 months because it is a participant in regional immigrant parent program. So students who are studying from there, working there, applying PR from this particular campus can get settled within 3 to 6 months. Whereas if a student is applying for a permanent residency apart from this campus in Ontario, the competition will be among thousands. Okay. So if I switch to the entry requirements as a St. Lawrence College, if you want to process your application there, so you need minimum 50% for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The IELTS requirement is 6, not less than 6 bands for undergraduate courses, and 6.5, not less than 6 bands for postgraduate courses. We are offering various courses for all the students who are coming out from various streams. We are providing conditional offer letters to students who have their IELTS results awaited. Once you book your IELTS, you need to share your IELTS receipt with us, and you can process the application. The offer letter will be received within 3 to 4 working days. We are also providing clubbed offer letters for postgraduate courses. For example, the courses, if I talk about supply chain management, project management, digital marketing, communications, these are the courses that are for a duration of 1 year. So you can go for a combination like 1+1. The course will be for 2 years, and you can just follow the post-study work permit for 3 years in that case. Also, if I talk about the courses that we have, something unique, if I talk about technician programs, undergraduate technician programs, where mathematics is mandatory with 60%, but we do have one program where maths is not required, that is environmental technician. Students who have not scored good in mathematics or have not studied maths in their 12th can proceed for this particular course, and obviously environment technician has a very good scope in Canada. There are a lot of queries for computer science. St. Lawrence is offering a computer science program where you do not need any computer science background. That is computer systems technician. This is a course. You can proceed with that if you're not having. Pardon? I think there's a query or something.
No, nothing.
Should I proceed?
Yes.
Okay, so I was talking about computer systems technician. So this is a program in which student can apply from non-medical background who has not studied computer science in 11th or 12th. So if a student is having computer science as a subject or has done diploma in computer science, then we have a program into game programming, right? So these are some of the courses that I wanted to update you in that case. Let's come to the tuition fees. So most of the students have a query that what is the average tuition fees that you have for undergraduate and postgraduate courses. I would like to update you in that case. Our tuition fee starts from 15,500 Canadian dollars to 16,500 Canadian dollars, which comes out to be 8.5 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. I just need some participation from the students.
Hello. Do you anyone have any questions? They can ask the representative directly. I don't think so. As of now, anybody has any sort of questions? You can proceed. If they do have, they will ask you.
Okay. So let's talk about the distance. Students usually ask me about the distance they have, like what a particular campus is having. Let's start from Kingston. If I talk about Kingston, then it is 2.75 hours from Toronto, 2 hours from Ottawa, and 3 hours from Montreal. If I talk about Brockville, then it is 3.5 hours from Toronto, 1 hour from Ottawa, and 2.5 hours from Montreal. If I talk about Cornwall, then it's 4.5 hours from Toronto. It's 1.5 hours from Ottawa and Montreal, and this distance is by car. Any queries in terms of that?
Yes.
Plus, I always recommend the student, like when they have queries in terms of location, बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा ये चीज़ पूछते हैं कि इस particular location से आपका कैंपस कितना पड़ेगा. I always suggest them go to the maps. वहाँ पर आप अपना लोकेशन डालिए, कॉलेज का कैंपस डालिए, आपके पास एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन आ जाएगी. You don't have to be dependent on anyone in that case. If I talk about, yeah,
you can ask. So now we can continue, ma'am.
I was just talking about accommodation because if I talk about the cheapest accommodation, the city which is having lowest rent in Canada, then it is Cornwall. The accommodation starts from 800 Canadian dollars, and students can save on approximately 5.5 lakhs to 6 lakh rupees in 2 years. So this is a very big amount in Indian rupees. So we have good programs at Cornwall campus also. I have shared the brochures and view books with the InPhase team. You can go through the like course to course. You can have a look at the particular course in which campus and which intake that course is available. So that will be suitable for you. So this is all about I wanted to discuss about St. Lawrence as of now. If you have any queries, you can reach out to me, or you can reach out to InPhase team. They will be guiding you the best.
Do we have scholarships?
Yes, we do offer scholarships. The maximum amount that is offered is up to 2,000 Canadian dollars, but that is on the merit list. So if a student is having a very good profile, for example, if I talk about 90%, if student is recent passed out, has scored good in IELTS and a 90% score, you can always, while applying for the application, you can request for the scholarship on the basis of merit list. That scholarship amount will be given to that student. But students at least say yes or no, whether you're able to understand or is it interesting or not, because everybody is just quiet. I just need your participation. Like, is it clear? Whatever I mentioned you about St. Lawrence, is it clear?
Yes, please come in.
All of you would be knowing that it's a public college.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
No response
Yes,
from it.
see. Ritika. Anyone want to question something? See, we need to ask questions. If you have any queries, you can ask here. Representing. I don't
Okay,
think
in that
so.
case, if you have any
Queries,
queries, you can always, in that case, if you have any queries, you can always reach out to InFace. They will be guiding you the best. They have the best knowledge in all aspects. If you don't want to ask anything directly from me, you can reach out to either Privika or Miss Neha.
See, students have questions regarding the after COVID situation in Canada. So, what we should explain them, like when the flight, the college will be offering online to when and all.
In that case, we are in discussion with the international team, and a written document will be circulated among you, so you can share that information with the students. Today morning we had a meeting, so some of the rules like policies, we are working on it, and the best will be guided as soon as possible, hopefully by tomorrow evening.
Okay, what about the quarantine facility? Will you guys be offering, or they have to opt for a government?
We are also offering. The point is that if a student wants to proceed with their own arrangements, they can. Otherwise, St. Lawrence College is also providing approximately 150 to 200 Canadian dollars for a day. Still, we are working on it. Students can do that quarantine period on campus also at Kingston. Still, the best information will be shared as soon as possible. This is what the conversation we had latest with the team.
But will it be paid?
Yes, student has to pay for that.
Okay.
Yeah, expenses will be on their own.
Okay. Fine. Because some of the colleges, in Montreal, they are offering free of cost. So my concern was that only.
No, we are not offering free of cost. We gave a suggestion for that, but still the latest information is we will be charging for that. Still, if any changes are being done, we'll get back to you accordingly.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you can proceed ahead.
So that's all I wanted to update regarding the St. Lawrence College and unique programs that we are offering. Rest, I have shared the St. Lawrence brochures and view books for a depth knowledge in terms of course, and you are already clear on the entry requirements. So if you have any queries, you can just put your questions.
We have some profiles, like if the student have bachelor degrees from Open University, Open Schooling, then is it be acceptable in St. Lawrence?
So student did schooling from the open school and again the bachelor's degree, that is distance, right?
Yes.
No, we are not accepting such profiles. But in that case, if a student has done schooling from an open school, then did a diploma on regular basis, then the profile is acceptable at St. Lawrence. Otherwise, it's
university and university would be top-notch university, then also you not accept the profile?
I am not able to understand. Your voice is echoing. Can you please repeat?
We were saying that if it's a Delhi university, if a student is from Delhi University, Pakar, but it's a correspondence mode, no? So will you guys accept it or not?
No, correspondence mode is not at all acceptable. As a last qualification, we are not accepting it. If a student has done something on regular basis after that, then the profile is welcome. We will be accepting the profile.
So it means only regular degrees are acceptable.
Yes,
regular
exactly. Yes. In that case, I already mentioned if a student has done 12th from an open school and has done a diploma after that, that is on regular basis, then we are going to accept the profile. Otherwise, it's not acceptable. If I talk about the gap, I just got a point in mind. Up to 2 years of gap is acceptable after 12th, and up to 5 years of gap is acceptable after graduation, but there should be an explanation for that. And maximum 5 backlogs are acceptable. If a student reappeared for the exam twice, then it will be considered as 2 in number.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the application fee?
We have 100. No, we are not working on any kind of waiver at present, but if we do, we will get back to you on that. Currently, the application fees is 100 Canadian dollars, and if a student is planning for if a student wants to defer the intake or wants to go for a program change, then it will be free of cost. Student doesn't have to pay again.
Okay. Okay, do you guys provide any bus pass or any kind of pass for traveling to international students?
We provide what? I didn't get you. There was a breakage in between.
Travel pass. Do you provide travel
Not
pass?
here completely.
Okay.
Can
you
you please
guys
type?
I'm sorry?
Can you please type in the comment section if it's there so that I can understand your query well?
Okay, just a sec. What's available? Hi, co-op programs are available in St. Lawrence?
No, co-op programs as of now they are not available, wherein it is clearly mentioned co-op with a program, but we do provide placement opportunities to students. And this, yes, we have some of the courses that are for like having 3 semesters, and in the 3rd semester there will be an unpaid internship wherein student has to pay the fees in that case, but no co-op programs are available.
Okay, the internships are paid.
Yeah, paid internships.
Okay, ma'am.
No salary will be provided, but only for few courses. It's not available for all the courses. For example, in postgraduate diploma, we have it for therapeutic recreation. So you can have a look on the program list for that.
Okay. Do you want to add anything that might be? Do you want to add anything, ma'am?
No, not as of now. Some of the courses that are very much in demand are related to, I would like to just name those courses like healthcare administration, health information management, technician programs, environmental technician. So this is something which is very much in demand. These are the courses wherein seats are filled very fast and have a very good scope in Canada. So if you are planning to apply for any of the course out of this for September intake, please fasten your seatbelts in that case, because these programs are filling very fast for North India.
Yes. September intake would be available for now, no?
Yeah, as of now, September intake is available. Plus, we are sharing regular updates on the open programs. So you can have a look on that also for a clarity.
Okay.
Because we have limited seats for North India, and all these programs are something which is very much in demand. So you need to be very much active at the time of application.
Okay, thank you so much for this wonderful session and for sharing this information. That will really be helpful for us for counseling more and more students for St. Lawrence for the upcoming intake.
You're welcome, and thanks a lot for your support, for your ongoing support for the applications. And yes, if you have any queries, you can always reach out to me, and I'll be getting back to you with the right information.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Okay.